The maths examination at SOF Olympiad is also known as IMO. So if your child is in primary 1 and they are preparing for this examination, here are some tips for them. Welcome to Mom I Love, and I am Shubhoshri. If you haven't subscribed yet, I request you to subscribe to my channel because Mom I Love is all about parenting, parent-child relationship, early childhood education, and a lot more that revolves around parenting. If you want to get a few important last-minute exam tips for SOF Olympiad exam, then don't forget to watch my video over here. So if you are doing the last-minute preparation for SOF Olympiad IMO exam for class 1, here are the few points you need to check. That is, you must teach your child ascending order. Like they will give some ascending order and ask your child to choose that what is the right option for the ascending order. Same goes with descending order. The next thing is filling the missing number. So it could be given in circles. There would be some numbers which could be like one missing number, or jumping numbers, or the table of 3, 4, 5, 2, like that. So there will be a gap which will be missing and your child has to fill up that gap, and everything I think would be like they have to choose the options from 4 options. Then the next is find the total amount spent. For example, there will be 2 to 3 objects given and the price of those objects will also be given. So your child need to find out that what is the total cost of these 2 or 3 things. For example, I have given you an example of eraser, pencil and book. So that will be a problem sum which will be written like an eraser costs this much, a pencil costs that, and a book costs this. So what is the total amount a person has spent on these 2 or 3 things? Okay. So this is a kind of a problem sum that might come, and these have been repeatedly coming in previous years as well. So these are really important. Next comes clock. So clock, you must teach your child like whole numbers like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 1 o'clock, like that, and 30 minutes before and after, which is important. For class 1, only 30 minutes before and after will come, like if it is 1 o'clock now, what will be the time 30 minutes later, or if it is 1 o'clock now, what was the time 30 minutes before, like that. So clock is very important. It might like 1 or 2 questions from clock can come. The second is time, find the missing part. So find the missing part. For example, a square or a circle or any other shape will be given. There will be many details inside the circle or the shape, and your child has to find out one missing part. So they might ask that what fits in this place. So this will not be there, this will be like not be there like this, and they have to find from the options that which fits the best over here. Then there could be logical reasoning questions, and after that they will have to find the difference between 2 things. Like I have 2 less than him, he has 5 things, how many do I have? So you can understand the question by that how many I have, I don't know, I have 2 less than him. So I have to find out that if he has 5, I have 2 less than him, that means I have 3 things. So this is a tricky question which you must prepare your child for. The next thing would be total length. So total length, they might give 2 pencils or 2 trees or something like that, and they might ask that one tree, for example, if I take the example of a tree, so they might say that one tree is 130 meters, the other tree is 120 meters. So what is the total length of both the trees? So like that. The next one would be weight. That could be weight of a doll is equal to 10 marbles. So weight of a doll of weight of two such dolls will be how much? So these are the questions you need to prepare your child for. You must teach them multiplication as well as division. Multiplication, I think up to 8 and 9 would be very helpful, like till the table of 8 and 9 will be very helpful for your child. So all these things will be little tricky for your child. Few things will be very simple and easy. No need to panic about it. If you want to know the last minute tricks, that what things you must consider before giving the examination, please watch my next video. So with this we come to the end of this video. If you like our video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up to this video. See you in our next video. Till then, bye bye.